Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Win's Life here. For today's video, we have soup number, is it 7? Soup number 7. Yes, hopefully I'm correct. I need to write this down so I will remember. Soup number 7. And for our soup for today, it will be kind of similar to fagioli. Is that how you pronounce that? Fagioli? It's, I think, Fagioli. I'm not sure. So it's close to that. I'm copying that kind of soup, and it almost looked like chili also, but it has pasta. And fagioli, it has those small pasta, but I don't have that kind, so I am using macaroni. And I think the original fagioli soup, I was gonna say comment down below how you pronounce it, but how can I hear it if it is just, you know, comment. But anyway, I think it's silent I think. Don't bash me guys, I don't know how to pronounce that soup, okay? But I'm not really expert on that kind of soup. I just saw it in Olive Garden and I want to copy it. My own version, of course. I don't know if that one has meat, but I am putting ground beef. Of course, I have to have meat, right? So I have two different kind of beans. I'm using the red beans and the cannellini beans. Red beans and cannellini beans. It's like right here. So of course, so obvious, the red beans is the red beans. And this is the cannellini beans. And of course the macaroni pasta, and I boiled this but only halfway because I don't want to cook it all the way, because I don't want it to get really mushy on our soup, and at the same time I don't want to put the uncooked macaroni on our soup because it's gonna absorb all the water or the broth. And I'm going to use 1 can of fire roasted diced tomato, and then I'm going to use probably 6 cups of water. So I guess it depends how soupy you want. You can have it less water or more water. And I'm going to use crushed red pepper and smoked paprika. Smoked paprika, I love this thing guys. And then I have garlic, onion, celery, carrots, parsley, and this one is for toppings. That one is we're going to add it to the soup. And then for the seasoning, I'm just using salt, pepper, and beef bouillon powder since we are using beef. And I don't need to put olive oil because I'm going to brown this first, and there's a little bit of fat gonna come out from our ground beef, so I don't need oil. And I think that's about all the ingredients for our soup number 7. So let's start sauteing guys. And it's now golden brown, so I'm going to put the garlic and onions. beef bouillon powder, paprika, salt, just a little bit of black pepper because we're putting the crushed red pepper. The diced tomatoes. Six cups. We might add more. So now I'm gonna put the macaroni pasta because this is just halfway. I think this is a lot though. I think I'm only putting half. Yeah, I think that's enough because we still have the beans. I'm just gonna let this boil. Then we'll put the rest of the ingredients. Guys, it is now boiling, so I'm adding the rest of the ingredients. Look how delicious it looks. So just let that boil and it is done. Soup number 7 is done. How beautiful it looks. Then I'm going to put some parsley because the fresh parsley and the cooked parsley will probably have a different flavor to the soup, I guess. OMG, beautiful. Look at that. Soup number 7, guys. Fagioli soup. Fagioli or fagioli. Let us try some. I can smell the parsley. I love parsley, guys, but I hate cilantro. I hate cilantro. No matter how I wanted to get used to cilantro, I cannot get used to it. So comment down below, you like parsley or cilantro or both? I think cilantro is too strong for me, that's why. And they said to scoop a soup, you have to go this way, not that way. I cannot see the difference between two. Let's try the soup. I can taste the parsley. See, I think it's different when you put fresh parsley on top, like uncooked parsley on top, because you can really taste the flavor of the parsley. So comforting. Let's try the macaroni pasta and see if it is done. And it's so hot. Perfect. It needed a little salt, but that's fine. You don't want a salty soup when you're slurping the soup. Is that a good word? Slurping. Slurping is like this. It's a bit spicy though. The cannellini beans is sticky or creamy. I shouldn't say sticky. It's creamy. Ooh, hot. The macaroni is cooked perfectly. It's not too soft. See, that's why I only boil it halfway, so when I put it on our soup, it's perfect. You don't want the macaroni pasta to fall apart. You could probably put it when it's not boiled yet to your soup, but you're gonna have to add a little bit more water because it's going to absorb the liquid. One last bite, guys. I keep saying one last bite, but then I keep eating. I need to say bye so I can let it cool down a little bit before I can eat the whole bowl. Maybe I'll put the same cracker that I used for my soup the other day, the broccoli soup. That broccoli soup, guys, we ate all of it in one one meal. So soup number 7. I still have to look at my fingers. Soup number 7, guys. Yay! But I don't think I can make it to 25, guys. I'm running out of options. So maybe we'll do 15. There, I'm halfway there if I do 15. So we'll change it to 15. I'm already halfway since I already have 7. So anyway, guys, if you are new to this channel, this is Win's Life. Welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. And guys, please, if you are not clicking the thumbs up or the like button, please do so. That would help our video a lot. And also don't forget to click the notification. I forgot what I'm about to say. Click the notification bell because it will help you guys to get notified when I have a new video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate all of you. See you next time. Bye for now.